My name's called Bhushan Malik, but everybody calls me by my middle name Bushan, so it's really Bhushan Malik. The injury I've had is it's not an injury, it's been ongoing for quite a while. It's pain in my knee, and I've got osteoarthritis, and basically I needed total knee replacement. I tried lots of other things prior to getting the agreement for total knee replacement, but all the other treatments didn't work because the state of my knee was almost bone to bone rubbing. My cartilage had worn out, so there was no cartilage. So it was a total knee replacement surgery which was done on the 29th of June this year. So my wife did most of the research. She read up about Mr Khakha. We didn't know anybody who would use Mr Khakha, but his credentials were very good, his background was very good. He's obviously a consultant, but he lectures as well, and he's a specialist. And in the end, after reading all the reviews as well, we were very impressed. But to some extent, you have to go a little bit on gut feel. And so after looking at all the background information, my wife said, I think we should go to Mr Khakha. And she was absolutely right. He more than lived up to our expectations. So, perfect gentleman, and obviously, I think he might be one of the world-renowned consultants in knee surgery. So, I'm absolutely delighted with the end result. I wanted to just get back to normal life. My life was becoming very restrictive to the extent where normal things, I would go to the gym, and that was a bit of punishment, because I didn't enjoy going to the gym. Even simple thing like taking the dog for a walk, although the park is very near the house, I would drive to the park and then walk slowly, and then I was limping and in constant pain. So in terms of orthopedic specialist, the last thing my wife said about 2 weeks ago when we had the final consultation with Mr Khakha was that throughout the process we've been absolutely delighted. Not just delighted, which we obviously are, with Mr Khakha's all his help. It's at every stage, and all the staff, all the support staff, whether they were the ladies who came and did the cleaning in the room, whether they were the catering staff, the nursing staff, the physiotherapists, all of the support staff were absolutely super. You couldn't ask for any more. And my wife said to Mr Khakha that she would very, very happily recommend orthopedic specialists to any friends, any colleagues, anybody who needed help, because you couldn't ask for more. We were absolutely delighted. And as much as he said, I hope not to see you again, he said, even though I'd love to see you, but yeah, they were the parting words. But we were absolutely delighted with, as I said, with the whole thing from start to finish.